Where are we going?
Target.
Where else? Because I really don't know where we're going.
Solvang.
Solvang? What? Solvang? Solvang. What is that?
What is it? A Dutch? A Dutch town, village? I think it's a Dutch.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think I've seen, like, I haven't been there, but I've seen it. Like, I know what it is. Like,
is it Dutch?
Like that, the little like wooden looking like windmills type stuff. Yeah. But we're going to Target because obviously I don't have lashes. I need my lashes. I lost my lashes.
He asked me if I didn't take yours. And I was like, no.
I told him no because like it happened like a few minutes apart. And it's like I was trying on black clothes and it feels like maybe it could have got stuck to like
that's what happens to me.
Yeah.
I'll like find it like either
in your
here,
sleeves or something.
Or in my hair.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm sure it's not in
it's not your hair, but no, I'll find it in my hair.
That's funny.
I'm like brush it out.
Yeah. Yesterday we went to the Target at the collections. The security guard followed us out. What? And I don't know, but it was like really weird because we know that they were like looking at us. We were walking and I met them, Casey and my dad up at the register because they had already paid for what I needed. And one was standing like behind where like the Starbucks area was at. I'll show you. And one was standing by the door. And then when we started heading for the door, he like did this. And the other one was, you know, was like diagonal to him. And so when we went out the door, the security guard was like following us and we started going down the escalators and he was standing behind us. And then he like made it seem like he was going down to like talk to the person. I guess he was like doing a fundraiser or something. And he ended up like, he said something to him and then we went to the car. And then when we left the parking garage, like he was like looking around, like looking for us or something.
It was just like
it was weird. It was crazy because they thought like we stole something or something. I don't know, but it was like stupid. So I'm kind of glad we're going back. We're like, oh, did you find what you needed? Bet you feel stupid. Yeah, my sister, because you know she used to work there. She said that they had to signal the other one who was like diagonal to him to go look at the cameras or whatever. So I guess that's why he came and followed us out until, you know, it was cleared to make sure we didn't do anything. It was so stupid. But yeah, I'm glad we're going back because I'm gonna, you're dumb. You are dumb. But yeah, we're gonna go get lashes. I need my lashes. So we made it. How long did it take us to get here?
Like an hour 30.
An hour 30, but it seemed like 2 hours. We stopped at what? Albertsons to go to the bathroom. I had to take a poop. Ever since we got in the car. Currently trying to put in these lashes. Because I lost mine in my clothes. I think it's in my luggage. But
what is the other side?
Waiting for my glue to dry. What is that? Dude, that is creepy. So we're inside this bakery, about to get some stuff, I guess. But no, those things are in the mirror are like super creepy. Look, they're back there like cooking stuff. What in the world? That is creepy. One of them. Cinnamon crisp. I got one of these. And then you guys got some of this stuff, huh? And you got one of these too.
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know.
It's got ice cream. Got cotton candy. It's not focusing in. Bubblegum. What kind did you get?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Ooh. I guess. Ah, you're gonna break it. Oh, you got a scoop of it. Is it good? Pretty good, pretty good?
Pretty good actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to try it.
Here, hold on, let me get this one.
Dang. Fire.
No, it's ice cream.
He got bubblegum ice cream, and it tastes like the blue bubblegum toothpaste for kids. And I was talking about how earlier his breath stunk, and he said it was gonna help him out because his breath was stinky. Well, that's where we got our ice cream from, up in here. And we're all sitting outside eating. Dad, what is that? Vanilla, the vanilla black cherry? Ooh, smashing. Whoa. They put a lot.
I know, they really.
Well, she put a lot.
On the way.
That's cool. Some candies. We're walking back to the truck. We had fun. What time is it?
Hey.
3 o'clock. 3 o'clock.
So we made
On the dot. No, not really. It's 3:43, but you get the point. So we stopped on the side of the road to look at this view, you guys. My brother's getting his drone out, but this is our view.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby.
You can see the ocean literally on the side of the road. And we had to hold KJ because I'm super paranoid, so we're out here. We're gonna go see what he's gotten.
Look.
That's what you're seeing right now. Whoa. That's cool. Holy cow! The sun. OMG. That's so cool. Here it is. Here it comes.
I gotta scratch my arm, mate. Holy moly, it's blowing everything.
Look at him. So we stopped again, but this time we don't have power lines in the way. So it's like we got the sunset and then the ocean in the background, and then there's like stuff down there. I don't even know what it is, but you can see all the cars there, and then the ocean. We got all of that. It's so pretty. AJ's in the car. I made him stay in the car this time because he was not listening at all. He's in the ghetto. No, I'm just kidding. We stopped to go get some tacos. We hungry. We's hungry. My feet hurt really bad. These Vans are not the best shoes to be walking in. This line is super long. Look. And there's like a line on each side. You can't even see. It's like not focusing in. So I didn't show you guys my dinner, but we're headed out with my bro. Oh shit! I almost fell over that stupid ass parking thing. But we're gonna head out with my brother to his truck and go pick up a load. So I'm excited. Well, we made it to my brother's truck. We're here inside. KJ, say what's up. He's back here. Say hi. On this tablet. But yeah, we're about to head out to go pick up a load so he can come back and then head out in the morning is what he said. So yeah, we're here chilling. He's out cleaning the mirrors right now. Make sure that they're not dirty and stuff. Not dusty like him. No, I'm just playing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the inside of his truck looks like. If you guys never have seen the inside of a semi-truck, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty dope. This is what you will be looking at, or at least something similar to this. This is really cool. He's put red lights in. I thought that was pretty cool. There's a radio up here for him, his steering wheel, obviously, all his gauges and switches that he needs, his manual stick for the truck, because the truck is manual. Obviously he's got our flag up here, Viva Mexico, Viva la Raza. KJ back there. He's got a second bunk up here. You can't see it because the light's off up there, but here's one of them. KJ's on his tablet. And yeah, so I'm just out here. Look, there's more trucks pulling up and whatnot. We out here. Santillan Express, boy. Look at that. All right, we're gonna walk over here. Tell us, yes, the maker of the company.
I don't know who the maker is, but 2013 Kenworth.
All right.
Red, as you see there, with the Mexican flag.
Yep.
There's another one over there.
And that one's ugly and gay.
Oh yes, I agree.
There's not much to say about it.
Come around, come around. Okay.
My dreams come true.
Big and red, boy. Out here making things happen.
With my last name right there.
Oh, the last name. Oh, and my lucky number, 32. All right, walk it to the back over here. Over here. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, snap.
Oh.
Whoa.
Should be filled up with
strawberries.
strawberries.
It's cold in there. Holy cow.
28 pallets of strawberries will be hitting.
Starburst? Oh, strawberries.
Strawberries.
Coming to a location near you.
Albertsons, actually.
Oh, Albertsons. If there's an Albertsons around, then hey, go get some strawberries. Get my ass back in here. Oh. Oh. Why are you in my truck?
Your truck, okay.
So we finally got a door. An hour and a half later, we were watching Netflix and we finally pulled up. See, right here next to all the other trucks and whatnot. KJ fell asleep, his tablet died, so we're just chilling. You guys can barely see me, but we've been here since like 7 and it's 1 o'clock in the morning. All right, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. It is 1:52 in the morning and I'm tired. Dude, that took forever. We got there at like 7:40. 4 pallets. And we were there until like 1:30. Till 1:30ish at least. Like literally 4 pallets, and that's how long we were there. But yeah, we made it home, and yeah, it's been a long day. I hope we got a lot of footage for today's vlog. These people are so loud. They have literally got to be like the worst neighbors ever. They're so loud they don't even care. Like they really don't. Like you can tell they do not care. But I will catch you guys in a later vlog.